Hello, this is Turbo Choi of Eurochem in South Korea. Today, I would like to talk about high-speed cable production. What are the problems and how to make the cable in very high speed? In cable manufacturing, production speed is directly related to profit. The biggest challenges for cable manufacturers are the occurrence of surface roughness due to the melt fracture and die rule on the surface of the die during production. To address these issues and increase production speed, many cable manufacturers are making significant efforts and developing their own solutions. Among these solutions, a common method is to use a torch to directly hit on the die and the extruded cable coming out of the die. However, this method is highly dangerous and vulnerable for fire hazards. In collaboration with a multinational cable company, we have successfully eliminated the need of torches in the production of solar cables by using Iruchem's additives. This allowed the extruder to operate at full capacity, enabling cable production at maximum speed without any circuit defects. This is the bad situation due to the die rule. Because of die rules, customers cannot produce the cable in high speed. In order to blow out the die rule, many customers use torch, but it is extremely dangerous to use torch in the factory. This is the bad situation due to the melt fracture. Because of the melt fracture, cable surface is very bad. Customers cannot produce the cable in high speed. In previous pages, we saw the problems. However, there is a big improvement. After using Iruchem's polymer processing additives, there is absolutely no die rule. After using Iruchem's polymer processing additives, the surface of cable is absolutely smooth. At this customer's factory, the maximum speed of full capacity of the extruder is 210 meters per minute. The customer's target production speed was 200 meters per minute. However, due to the die rule and the melt fracture, the customers cannot produce higher than 100 meters per minute without torch. By the way, using Iruchem's polymer processing additives, the customer could produce the cables even at the maximum speed 210 meters per minute without any problem. The customer could solve the productivity, the profit, and the safety using just a small amount of Iruchem's additive. In Korean proverb, we say that three rabbits were caught by throwing one stone. If you have any inquiries or questions, please contact through iruchemsales@gmail.com or our phone number. Thank you very much.